A lot of people really do assume that you will get in trouble if you decide to turn a storage unit into an office slash art studio for your small business, and you won't get in trouble as long as you ask for permission. So I chose StoreQuest, and it's because I did some research to try to find storage facilities that allow you to do this, and StoreQuest was one of them. And this one was like reasonably close to my home. When I got here, I just told them about the article I read online about how they say that you can use a storage in other ways besides storing things. Literally, StoreQuest created an article about it. So I used that to my advantage, and I brought it up to like the customer service rep, and she's like, oh yeah, you can, as long as you don't have like food or anything perishable. Like, there are rules to what you can allow in your space, but everything I have in my space is fine. And then I had to get insurance for my business just to like insure whatever is in here. And I don't know if there was anything else that I had to do, but that was it. Like, I don't think you necessarily need an LLC to be able to use a storage unit for office or art studio type of vibes. So yeah, I definitely recommend you asking the current facility that you are at if it's allowed. And if it's not allowed in the one that you're currently at, I recommend doing some research to find other storage unit facilities that do allow this in your area. I hope that helps.